just one word in the GPS. Moved up again a bit, heading out to a place called Cañar with Cañar. So right, and I know what this road is because I've been on it before. Open, yeah, a few cafes. Sensible. Valley behind me, the white town directly in front of you. Approaching halfway. It's now being Did it. This is going to be worth it. Glass of full fat Coke, indeed. Whether you win or whether you lose, or forever. And that was written by a Mr. Azuka. Route to put on. I've got about 5 meal time remaining.